Hey guys, Sweet Scoots here with cool, trick, and affordable ways for the guys and gals that love their bikes. This is a short but sweet video on how to protect your tank, any painted area of your bike. Very simply, we've done it for years and you'll be very happy. Now you can get really extravagant on how you make it, but we're just giving you this quick tip on how you can protect your paint, because I know every one of you that have been a biker for any length of time have had situations where you've dropped a socket, you had a screwdriver in your back pocket, whatever it may be, and you scratched or dented your paint on your tank, your fender. Now I can tell you my instance, I had a ratchet with a socket on it, not realizing it wasn't a lockdown type ratchet where it actually you have to push the pin on the back side. And as I was walking by, the socket came off and chipped my rear fender. Never again. So we came up with a way to protect your paint while you're working on your bike. Build it however you want. Like I said, you can get really extravagant. This is crude. We use the same ones for the same style bikes and it works great. Here's the material you want to use. All the tools will be in the show more of the video description, but this is headliner material. It's foam, and it has some cushion to it, yet it is very easy to bend around your tank and gives it that padding and protection. So if you're working on your, say on your controls on your bike here, or whatever it may be, and you go to sit down on your stool and you're working on your carb down here, what happens? And you've got a screwdriver in your hand, it slips off and you hit your tank. Two ways to fasten it down, and you can do it however you want. Like I said, you can go spend a lot of time cutting it. You can get a perfect fit all in one big piece. And when you do this, buy the biggest piece of headliner material you can get. Then you can get really creative and make it all one piece. We do it doubled up right here. But you can use only the body tape, okay? That way you can stick it to your paint and it won't hurt anything. 3M body tape. A lot of guys, like in our shop that have bikes, they'll use rubber bands. You can take and hook it on like this, as tight as you want to get it. Have at it, and hopefully this helps protect your paint, because you know it's going to happen. It's just a matter of time. Let's pray that it doesn't. Ride safe.